Hey viewers, you're watching Das Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. The Enforcement Directorate has summoned former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh and his son Amarinder Singh for questioning in connection with a 2016 case involving alleged violations of the Foreign Exchange Management Act. The move comes months after the Punjab and Haryana High Court permitted the central agency to inspect Income Tax Department records related to the case, clearing a significant legal hurdle in the long-running matter. According to the officials familiar with the developments, Captain Amarinder Singh has been asked to appear before the ED at its Jalandhar office on February 13, while Amarinder Singh has been summoned a day earlier on February 12, that is today. The agency has stated that the summons were issued after complying with due legal process. However, Amarinder Singh is currently admitted to a private hospital in SAS Nagar, Mohali after undergoing a knee replacement surgery. He was shifted to the intensive care unit for post-operative monitoring and is unlikely to appear on the scheduled date. Well, officials indicated that a fresh date may be issued for recording his statement under FEMA. Responding to the summons, Amarinder Singh said that he would cooperate fully with the investigation. In a post on X, he stated that as law-abiding citizens, they have faith in the rule of law and are confident that truth and justice will prevail. Notably, the case dates back to November 2016 when the Income Tax Department filed a complaint before a Ludhiana court accusing the father-son duo of tax evasion, concealment of foreign assets, suppression of facts and making false statement under oath. The prosecution was initiated under Section 277 of the Income Tax Act 1961, along with provisions of the Indian Penal Code relating to furnishing false information and perjury. The Income Tax Department had also claimed it received credible information from foreign authorities through official channels, indicating that Amarinder Singh was a beneficiary of foreign assets held through offshore entities. Well, all these allegedly included bank accounts with SBC Private Bank SA in Geneva and HSBC Financial Services Limited in Dubai, and the information was reportedly shared with Indian authorities through the Foreign Tax and Tax Research Division, beginning in 2011 with inputs from France and later from Dubai, Switzerland and the British Virgin Islands. Investigators also traced the alleged links to various entities incorporated by Amarinder Singh, including the Trust and Mulwala Holding Limited, in which Amarinder Singh was also said to be a beneficiary. The complaint further alleged that the trust was the beneficial owner of several offshore entities registered in the British Virgin Islands. At the time, Amarinder Singh had termed the complaint malafide and politically motivated, asserting that no proof of alleged foreign assets had been produced against him. Subsequently, the ED moved the Ludhiana court seeking permission in order to inspect documents received from French authorities under the Indo-French Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, that is DTAA, in order to initiate proceedings under FEMA. The magistrate court also allowed the plea in 2020 and the order was upheld by a session court in 2021. The Singhs challenged all these orders before the Punjab and Haryana High Court, arguing that the shared information was confidential and could not be accessed by agencies not directly involved in tax assessment. In September 2025, the High Court dismissed their petitions, ruling that the ED, as a statutory authority under FEMA, is entitled to inspect judicial records for investigation. The court clarified that while the ED may examine the documents, the information cannot be publicly disseminated without due legal sanction. Under FEMA, Indian citizens cannot hold foreign assets or bank accounts without clearance from the Reserve Bank of India. And with the High Court's ruling in its favour, the ED has now revived its probe into the alleged foreign exchange violations dating back to 2016. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.